In honor of Earth Day, I decided to talk about Earth. Since I am right about it, it's called Earth Universe. So I'm giving you a header of what it's about. I talk a lot, but I don't teach a lot. At least not yet. I want y'all to see. I got a little bit of brains up here. I'm working on vocabulary, but let's see what I got going on here. So Tesla was right. Our realm is like a testicle, right? It's shaped like this. That's how the encapsulation is shaped anyway. And as above, so below. So let me tell you what I got going on here. This is space. Okay. This is our realm. I'm gonna draw some more in a minute. This the sun Ra. No, it's not in us inside of our encapsulation. This is our whole galactic sun. It got more to do and work by Earth. Okay. From the outside, even though our realm is shaped this way, looks just like the other realms that we see every night. From the outside, it looks like a white light. You can't even tell that it's shaped like this. Unless you got some high power telescopic stuff going on, then you might notice that some of the other realms, they're not all shaped this way. They don't all have land and all that. I've seen some that kind of shaped like blackberries. They got all kinds of shape because they serve different purpose, different design. But anyway, we worrying about our stuff. And so, this is our galactic sun. He is white. He was never yellow, but we did perceive it as yellow. It was a different time. Density changed. Fields got thinner. We saw rock more clearly. And if y'all notice, the grass and stuff got brighter too. So we ain't tripping. It used to look yellow. And some people still see it as yellow because they're not there yet. So, this rock, this space, this is our realm. This right here, this is the electromagnetic field that encapsulates us. Some people, I don't know, at some point I guess they saw it as a dome. No, the earth isn't flat. I know somebody gonna go there already and know about this proof to you. So, well, explain it to you. Can't prove it unless you can go out there and look at it like I did. So, right here, there's a stargate. This is true north. It's always existed. It used to be over Egypt. It's called the second sun. That's what the whole thing about the sun tower and Atum was about. This is the gate that many things came through. That's why Egypt was so important. It was a galactic port. A lot of intergalactic activity there. But after the last polar flip or reset, it moved. And right now it's over untraveled water. So this is second sun, the march true north. But here we have Death Gate, which is also a portal. It's on the ice, which we also don't travel because we ain't as fancy as we pretend that we are, okay? Death Gate. That's where a lot of our galactic family come from, how they get in and out. You know they gotta be coming somewhere. You can't fly up out of Earth. You can't do it. I mean, even if you could, what you gonna do? You're gonna dematerialize. You're gonna unmanifest because there's nothing here in the void space. But we're gonna get back to that's a whole nother subject. All I'm gonna say is, clip note on that. Stop listening to the lies. There's nothing in space but what we can see. There ain't no colors out there. There's no asteroids, nothing. Comets and everything is right here in our electromagnetic field. And that's what I'm finna get back to. So, this right here, that's our Earth core. I named it Cerise. It's red. Ra's white, but Cerise is red. Like a brilliant, fiery red. It's a different type of anchor. It don't have as much pull as our galactic sun, right? So, as above, so below. Inside is a sun. Around it is space. Around that space is another electromagnetic field. I'm just gonna go EMF. Now look, this electromagnetic field. No, well, no, I'm gonna go a little further first. Outside the electromagnetic field here, we have a solid. It's like lead, but it's more like, I had the proper word for it, but it escaped me right now. But look for my book. It's like bedrock. It's a lot of solid elements, right? And then around that is what they're calling like the moving lava or the magma level, right? That's where it starts at anyway. Outside of that, it's inner earth. It's communities there. It's inner earth. Now inner earth, now I gotta stay on topic. I'm bad about that. I'm getting better with it. On the outside of inner earth, water, ocean. Yeah, that's how Earth is formed. Now mention this. There are chasms, trenches like the Mariana Trench that goes from the ocean all the way down to the sediment level. Boop. That's as far as you can get. You can't go inside inner Earth. You gotta look at in the ocean. This inner Earth, we brought the land up eventually. Now we got continents. Look, because we know the land ain't just floating on top of the water. It extends. Now, looking at this part of Earth, let me explain something to you. Because the flat earthers say, well, I don't get it. Why is the water sticking then? If that's what's going on, because I'm telling you, this is why. The electromagnetic field, gravity is a push, not a pull. The outer electromagnetic grid pushes down. This electromagnetic field pushes up. Force from the outside, force from the inside. There's levels to it now. Makes the shape, gives compartments, kind of like a terrarium. So, the last thing I could squeeze in here, well, I can't even drop because it's gonna mess it all up. But just know, there's layers to this too. And in our stratosphere, I think the sun, the moon is about right there. I'll double check that. Luna is in our realm. She's not in space. The electromagnetic fields, they have different directions and different pulls. The one at the very bottom is the one that gives us our gravity, but the other ones have different things stuck in them, like the comets and stuff like that, and that's why they circle around Earth the way they do. They're caught in that direction. Science know that already, because that's what they doing, sticking the satellites up here, talking about they in space. No, they ain't. But we know that, don't we? Earth Universe, check it out.